Good morning, guys. Today is 18 January. This is 21st vlog on my channel. My first goal is a 30 vlogs and left only 9 vlogs to end of my goal. Today is warm. It's +3 Celsius. It should be rainy today. Look to the clouds. And what I plan today, I fix my big eggs because it's still not assembled, and then chop some firewood to try these eggs if I assembled it, of course. And I want to take pictures of some birds in my feeder. And we should move to another room and try to sleep there. I finally can mount my camera to this tripod. So we can see soon what it be good. I have white camo and try to hide. It is a really cool and stable tripod and not expensive. But yeah, it's aluminum, so it's much heavier than the carbon versions. But stability and the head is very good for this price. The most difficult was to catch a mustard by a video, but I did it. So now I need to charge my camera battery, because spare batteries what I ordered from the AliExpress just was returned to a seller, I don't know why, and I still without spare battery. I think I just need to buy in Ukraine one battery and it will be nice. So I'm going inside because I'm freezing. done. Hello again, guys. I have a lot of work done. Now I'm sleeping there. I need to move it, all of that. Okay, today we try to sleep in this room because we fully moved there, and now we use our wood stove to make our cottage warm because it's very hot in the kitchen but still cold there. Finally we have a place when we can all my stuff there, and I need to a little bit clean there, but for now I don't have a place. As you can see, no free space there, and I have a half of wardrobe. This carpet, I can't take it off because it keep warm, so let it be. My helmet, my rifle, my plate carrier. This is our special equipment, like charge station and big flashlight. Also we have big tripod for this flashlight. This is other our equipment, like another charge station for indoor use, our tablet, radio station, some GoPro accessories. Kitty try to get in a wardrobe, but it's not allowed. Kitty, not allowed. And I want to say you, it's stay really much pretty than it was before us, because we clean these surfaces a lot of time, and every time it's really dirty water, really dirty water. I don't know, I think it's previous inhabitants, it was not landlords, it was guys who just live there. This was some family from another town, and they not clean, I think never clean there. As you can see, we use some cleaning liquids. We use some cleaning liquid there. We buy all this cleaning stuff, and every time when we clean this floor, it's very dirty water. Also, we should something do it with this hole. It's, as you can see, this wooden construction, some frame, and this is clay, so we need to fix it. And this minor defects, I think we didn't do want to do this. We have some curtains. Also, we have thermal isolation here and polyethylene film there. So outside, where it's nobody can't just see what happened there. It's very important. So thank you. It was very hard day. A lot of work was done. So we will see tomorrow.